Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find languages and input. They should be in the personal section. So let's tap on it and choose the first option, languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and Spanish right now. So in order to add new language, just tap on this option, add a language, and we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you'd like to set. So I will pick maybe French. Where's the French? Here it is. So let's tap on it, and as you can see right now, you can choose the region also. So simply tap on the one you like to set, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the list, but the English language is still the main one. So in order to set the new language as a default, just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now, we can drag it. So let's drag it to the very first position, and as you can see, the whole system from now on, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. Let me switch to the English, just tap on it, hold it and drag it. And as you can see, the same situation. So actually this is it. This is how to add and change the language in your HOMTOM. So right now I can show you how to remove the languages, because for some reason you do not need to have 3 or 4 different languages applied. So from this level, all you have to do is simply tap on this 3 dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Right now we can mark the languages we would like to delete. So I will pick French and Spanish and tap on this trash bin icon. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on OK, and as you can see, we are left only with English. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.